In this class, we are going to learn about the bridge course remaining lessons. See, my body. Dear children, all of you observe your body head to feet and write what are the parts in your body on the paper. See, all of you tell with me. See, first one, which is the head. Okay. Next, eyes. Next, nose. Next, tongue. Next, ears. Next, hands. Next, neck, stomach, legs, fingers. Okay, all those are the our body parts. Here we are dividing the body parts as two types. Already you have learnt in second standard. First one is external organs, internal organs. Here external organs means the organs are the parts located outside our body. Example, head. Head is possible to see, so this is external body, external organ. Eyes, possible to see. Tongue, possible to see. Nose, possible to see. Skin, possible to see. So these are called external organs. See here, internal organs. Here some organs or parts located inside our body. Those parts are called internal organs. Example, brain. See, where is the brain? The brain is located inside the head. Lungs. Lungs are locating in the rib cage. Okay. Next, stomach. Here. Okay. Next, skeleton. See here. Skeleton is main frame to our body. There is no skeleton, not possible to give definite shape to our body. And the muscles, here the muscles are present in each and every part of the body. Not only this, heart. Okay. Heart is also internal organ. Kidneys. Kidneys are also internal organ. Okay. Liver. Okay. There are many internal organs are there in our body. Okay. See. Here, head, eyes, tongue, nose and skin, these are called sense organs. You are going to be learn about sense organ in third standard. In the name of the lesson is human body. Okay, in third standard you are going to learn all about this human body. What is the function of the head? What is the function of the eyes? What is the function of the tongue? What is the function of the nose? What is the function of the skin? You are going to be learn in third standard. And here, brain. Brain is the center unit of the human body. It controls all parts of the body. We are going to be learn detailed in the third standard. And lungs, in the third standard we will be going to be learn what is inhalation, exhalation. Okay. Next, stomach. We are going to be learn detailed about the stomach in the third standard. And skeleton also. How many bones are there in the skeletal system? Okay, which parts are protected in the skeletal system? Okay, we are going to be learn in the third standard. And muscles. We are going to be learn how many muscles are there in our body. Okay, and heart. We are going to be what is the shape of the heart, what are veins. Okay, we are going to learn all these about in third standard. Dear children, now we are going to learn about house and source of food. You have learned already in second standard types of houses, which are those kacha house and pakka house. Here, kacha house is also called temporary house. Pakka house is also called permanent house. Here, kacha houses are temporary houses we are seeing more in villages. These kacha houses are made up of straw or hay, bamboo, mud. All these things using to build a kacha house. Okay. See now, pakka house. Here, pakka house or permanent house is built by cement, iron, bricks, sand, stone. All these are the things used to build pakka house or permanent houses. And a house is also having the supports, walls, floor, roof, and we are seeing the different types of rooms. Example, kitchen room, bathroom, okay, toilet, storeroom, bedroom, etc. These are the different rooms we are seeing in the house. Okay, in the third standard also you are going to learn about this drainage system, all those. In third standard you will be going to be learn about the source of the food. What is the meaning of source? Here, source means where do we get the food or how do we get the food. Examples, daily we are eating the different types of food. Example, rice. How do we get the rice? Yes, we are getting the rice from the plant. Jowar is also we getting from the plant. Okay. See here, the source of the plant, the source of the food is first one is plant. Okay. See, dear children, we are not eating only plant. See, we are eating eggs. We are eating honey. We are eating fishes, mutton, chicken. Okay, how do we get all those and one more? Milk. curd. How do we get all these food materials? Yes, we are getting from the animals. See, which is the one more source of the food? Yes, animals. See, we are going to learn about the source of the food, plant source and animals source. Okay, we will be going to learn detailed in third standard, and also we are going to learn balanced diet and nutrients also. Now we are going to discuss about safety and first aid. Safety at home. Dear children, in our home or your home, we are seeing some harmful instruments or things in home. Example, in kitchen room. In kitchen room, we are seeing the knife or blade or scissor. Okay, dear students, don't touch those type of instruments. Those are very harmful to you. Okay, next, safety at school. See here, safety at school, that means safety in the classroom or safety in the playground. In the classroom, when you are in the classroom, don't play with pen, pencil or sharpener, and don't jump from one desk to other desk or from table to downside. Okay, so that is very dangerous. And on the ground, when you are playing on the ground, don't push to your friend, and when you are playing, follow the game rules. That is very important. And don't play near the pole or barbed wire. Okay, next, safety on the road. See here, safety on the road is very important. When you are going on the road, you should always walk on left side and footpath. Okay, when you want to cross the road, cross at the zebra crossing only, and you should follow traffic rules. Okay, next, first aid box. Here, what are the things in the first aid box? Here we are seeing the things in the first aid box are cotton, ointment, tincture, or some plasters, bandage cloths. Okay, these are the things in the first aid box. Okay, what will be going to learn in third standard? See here, safety at home. Here in third standard, we are going to be learn safety in the kitchen room. Safety with sharp instruments, safety with fire, safety with medicines. Okay, safety on the terrace. Okay, safety with the switches, and we are going to learn what is the meaning of first aid. Okay, my dear students, this is about the bridge course, safety and first aid. Thank you, my dear students, watching this video.